Explain Android Virtual Device (AVD). Compare Android emulator and physical device for application testing. Discuss their advantages, disadvantages, and applications. Before release, an Android virtual device is a virtual Android phone or tablet that runs on a computer. Using the Android emulator, it stimulates the hardware and software of a real Android device, allowing developers to test applications without needing a physical device. Components of AVD. An AVD consists of Android operating system, screen size and resolution, RAM and storage, CPU architecture, camera or bracket my virtual, GPS simulation, network simulation, battery setting. वर्किंग ऑफ AVD. ऊपर सबसे पहले एंड्रॉयड स्टूडियो, फिर नीचे एरो एंड्रॉयड एम्यूलेटर, नीचे एरो एंड्रॉयड वर्चुअल डिवाइस AVD, नीचे एरो रन एंड टेस्ट एप्लीकेशन. The application is installed on virtual device and tested as if it were running on a real smartphone. Steps to create AVD. 1. Open Android Studio. 2. Select Device Manager, AVD Manager. 3. Click Create Device. 4. Choose a device model, example Pixel 6. 5. Select an Android version, bracket my system image. 6. Configure RAM, storage and other settings. 7. Click Finish. 8. Start the emulator and run the application. Features of Android emulator. It simulates different Android devices, supports multiple Android versions, tests different screen sizes, simulates GPS location, simulates phone calls and SMS, supports network simulation, allows screenshot and screen recording. Advantages of AVD Android emulator. No physical phone required. Free to use. Easy testing on multiple Android versions. Test different screen sizes and resolutions. Simulate GPS and network conditions. Easy debugging and Android Studio and saves development costs. Disadvantages of AVD. Slower than physical device, requires high RAM and CPU, cannot fully simulate all hardware features, battery usage testing is not realistic, camera and sensor simulation may be limited. Physical Android device. A physical Android device is a real Android smartphone or tablet used to test applications under actual hardware and network conditions. Features of physical device testing. Real hardware, actual battery performance, camera testing, sensor testing, GPS accuracy, real network conditions, touchscreen responsiveness. Advantages of physical device. Accurate performance testing, real battery usage analysis, better hardware compatibility testing, reliable sensor testing, better user experience evaluation, real camera and GPS testing. Disadvantages of physical device. Expensive if many devices are required, difficult to test multiple Android versions, limited device availability, maintenance required, manual testing is time consuming. Android emulator versus physical device. Features. Now, Android emulator. Virtual device type is virtual. It is free of cost. The speed is slow. Battery testing is stimulated. Camera testing is limited. GPS testing is simulated. ऊपर भी battery testing simulated. Sensor testing is limited. Performance testing moderate. Multiple devices easy. Debugging easy. Physical device type is real. Cost is it requires purchase. It is faster in speed. The battery testing is real. Camera testing is accurate. GPS testing is real. Sensor testing is accurate. Performance testing is best. Multiple devices is difficult to connect. Debugging is more difficult. Applications of Android emulator. Learning Android development, testing applications, debugging code, testing different screen sizes, testing different Android versions. Application of physical device testing, final application testing, performance analysis, camera applications, GPS based applications, gaming applications, battery optimization testing. Real life example. Suppose a developer creates a ride sharing app. During development, users and AVD test the login page, user interface, and navigation on different Android versions. Before release, test the app on the real Android phone to verify GPS accuracy, camera access, battery consumption, internet connectivity, and overall performance. Using both EVD and physical device ensures the application works correctly in both stimulated and real life world environment. Advantage of using both EVD and physical devices: better application quality, early bug detection, improved performance, reduces development cost, higher compatibility across devices, better user experience.